Sharks never have to worry about brushing their teeth. This is because the surfaces of their teeth are coated in fluoride, keeping them safe from decay. Dolphins are actually small whales, not fish. Dolphins have smooth, rubbery skin and usually are gray or black and white. The new baby seahorses, each about the size of an M&M, find other baby seahorses and float together in small groups, clinging to each other using their tails. A turtle's shell is part of its skeleton, made up of over 50 bones, including its spine and ribs. Turtles cannot leave their shells as the shell grows with them throughout their lives. In the wild, hermit crabs can live more than 30 years, but captive ones often have shorter lifespans due to improper care. The Japanese spider crab is the largest crab species with a leg span up to 4 meters, 13 feet. The male anglerfish has an extraordinarily well-developed sense of smell, allowing it to locate females by detecting pheromones in the murky ocean. Orcas have highly varied diets depending on their population, eating fish, seals, sea lions, penguins, and even whales. Despite their scary look, hammerhead sharks are rarely a danger to humans. Blue tanks help maintain healthy reef ecosystems by grazing algae, preventing coral suffocation. Snails belong to the mollusk family, related to slugs, octopi, and clams. Blue whales consume up to 4 tons of krill daily during feeding season, using baleen plates to filter food. Chameleons are lizards, famous for changing color to blend in or show their mood. They have long, sticky tongues to catch insects. Frogs use their eyes to help swallow food by pushing it down their throat. The sawfish's teeth on the snout are modified dermal denticles, not true teeth. Chimeras are deep-sea fish related to sharks, but look very strange with big eyes and long tails. Sperm whales use special sounds called clicks to see in the dark ocean, like a natural sonar. Penguins communicate using unique vocalizations, which help parents and chicks recognize each other. Dolphins produce milk to nurse their young, despite living entirely in water. Ducks live on every continent except Antarctica and inhabit freshwater and saltwater environments. Adult goblin sharks are usually 10 to 13 feet long, but can grow as big as 20 feet. Some sharks, like bamboo sharks, don't swim but use their fins to walk along the seafloor. Male walruses are generally larger and can weigh over a ton, with Pacific males often bigger than Atlantic ones. Clownfish are relatively small fish, ranging from about 2 to 6 inches long, depending on the species. The common cooked lobster turns red due to proteins breaking down from heat exposure.